Dear students of the second year secondary, welcome back. With you, Mr. Ahmed Khairi. I wish you a happy and successful future. Today, we are going to discuss one of the most important lessons in your course this year. Today was Unit 4, Lesson 1, Changing English. If I want to ask you at the first a simple question, why should you learn English? Why should you learn English? Yes, I can hear you. Someone says to get a good job. To get a good job today, you should be good in English. So, all employers need a qualified worker who is good at English. Someone else says for communications. If you want to communicate with anyone in the world, you will use the internet. And communication will be in English. Someone else say, if you want to search anything about any subject, you use the internet. And the internet means you will use English. So, it's the worldwide language. We can't deny its importance. So it's important to learn it. This makes me ask you a simple question. Do you think English needs change? Yes, I think so. In the following article, we will know that changing English is important today to meet everyday changes. I will give you 5 minutes to read the article and then answer the following questions. Think carefully before you answer. Question number 1. Why are some teachers worried about teenagers who use messaging language? Question number 2. Why do some linguists like text message language? Quick silent reading. I will give you 5 minutes, then come again. Welcome back. After reading, now we can discuss the previous questions. The first question, why are some teachers worried about teenagers who use messaging language? Why? Yes, I hear you. Some teenagers are no longer speak or write English correctly. So teachers are worried about that. English may fade in the future like this. Correct English, correct pronunciation may fade in the future. So teenagers may use abbreviations. This is for 1. Question number 2. Why do some linguists like text messaging language? Yes, it introduced new ideas to the language and it's for fun. This is for the previous questions. Now we can have other questions. Think of these 2 questions. Why do people use messaging language? Why people use messaging language? It's important today to use messaging language. It's for fun, especially when you speak with your friends. When you send to your friends messages, we all use the abbreviation. So it's a change. Question number 2. How is text messaging language different from formal English? Oh, it's a formal English. It's a very important question. Messaging language is different from formal language. How? Messaging language is used when you talk with your friends, but formal language or formal English is used especially when you want to apply for a job, when you talk about people who is older than you, so they are older, you must use formal English. This is for these questions. Now let's take another thing. Let's talk about abbreviations and its full form. We have some important abbreviations we use in our daily life. Like what? Like number 1, LOL is an abbreviation for laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Abbreviation number 2, CUL8R is an abbreviation for see you later. Number 3, GR8 stands for great. Number 4, BLZ for please. Number 5, IDK stands for I don't know. Number 6, tomorrow for tomorrow. Number 7, THX for thank you. Number 8, ASAB stands for as soon as possible. Now, let's take an exercise to cover up this part. Question number 1, choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Question number 1. The PC stands for personal computer. Definition, specialization, abbreviation, expectation. Yes, I hear you. Abbreviation. Yes, abbreviation. Number 2, a or an is an icon used in electronic message. Picture, emoji, number, intent. Yes, emoji. Number 3, our teacher is very. She doesn't call anyone by his name. Patient, normal, formal, cheerful. Yes, formal. Question number 4, Mrs. Ali. Children were getting mud all over the clothes. Smiled, rewarded, frowned, introduce. Yes, you're right. Frowned. Okay, now with the most important word that we meet today. Abbreviation. اختصار. Emoji. You know it. Formal. رسمي. Linguists. عالم اللغة أو علماء اللغة. Innovators. مبدعون. نعم. We have come to the end of our lesson today. Welcome back.